I sure love smoking. It is so good for you.
Stop! No, it is not. Smoking is really bad for you. Just to tell you how much bad it is for you, I'm going to rap. What? First drop the cigarette. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Smoking causes cataracts and emphysema. Smoking causes cancer and bad stuff. You don't want to end up like me. If you do, then something else will happen that's bad. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo.
Thanks for making me a smoke-free person.
You're welcome. Now I will die.
Let me just edit that.
What?
Just don't think. Okay.
I'm going to edit it.